Hi, my name's Luke Christensen. I'm from International Park Tours, and I'm going to put a whole series together for you to help you navigate and work out what equipment you might need, keep you motivated on getting out and about, a bit of a training schedule for you to get prepared for going out and hiking around this beautiful world that we have and experience everything that there is to offer there. I want to really get you into the mindset and the self-belief to get you into the wild nature and really fall in love with it. It's about being social, it's about exploring, it's about adventure, and it's about living that awesome, healthy life that you're going to have by just getting out there. And it's not hard. You don't need to have gym equipment. You don't need memberships to gyms. You don't need to have that tight schedule. It's more about relaxing, enjoying, creating community, learning about yourself and that environment around you. So come with me on this adventure and we will learn a whole heap of stuff that's going to just get you prepared to take away any of the fear you might have. I'm going to be reviewing some equipment, anything from your hiking shoes, your walking poles, your first aid kits. We might be talking about the types of packs that you could use. We're talking about rain jackets and the different styles and how that's going to keep you prepared, and about how to get your mind in the right place to enjoy every moment. So stay with us, and every journey, as they say, starts with a single step. So let's start hiking into it.